Man, sitting here waiting on Eladio, aka Frog. Fool said he was gonna be at 4 in the afternoon originally. It was almost 1 o'clock in the morning. I'm sitting here watching fucking YouTube on my TV. Tired. Long day tomorrow. Gotta get the box truck set up with the heat press. Kinda do a rundown on it. And make sure everything's gonna work. We haven't used the heat press in the box truck with the generator. So hopefully the generator with the lights and everything else going, it doesn't kick it off. But we'll see in the morning. Claudio and Vanessa got in about 1 o'clock this morning, right on the dot. But they're still in bed. I think it's about 8 o'clock right now. Figured I'd kick you guys out here and show you what they showed up with today. They're coming to Midwest Dragfest. Drove all the way from Idaho. I don't know how these guys do it. It's like the 3rd trip this year here. Has some work coming all the way down here, but I surely appreciate these guys always coming down and hanging out. It's always a blast. But this is what he's got going on. You got the old refrad. He also brought us a little, I think it's a snowmobile motor. Says it runs. We're gonna try to throw that on the old bag golf cart. Yeah, he's got his Datsun. Got the beach cruiser in the back. Dig it. Dig it, dig it. But, so first things first today, I need to go get some gas for the generator. We're going to set up the box truck. We're trying some new stuff with the heat press in the truck, making the shirts as people want them. And kind of get people involved with this while we're sitting there doing it, instead of just handing you a t-shirt. See if it works. I'm going to hook up the generator, run it, have all the lights on, make sure that it's not going to kick the generator GFI off. So hopefully it works. Do a little short film on that. But yeah, that's all we're doing today. So we got the gas cans. We're gonna hop in the box truck. Old big ass Brutus. We're gonna see if we can't get this thing set up and arranged and see if we can't break some shit. I don't know. Don't drive this thing enough. Gotta figure out what your kid is. The one that says international on it. What the fuck? Oh shit. That one's gotta be the key. I gotta end upside down? No. There you go. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to ride or not. Nope. Sorry. Whole camera won't stay up. Come behind you, DJ. Fuck that thing. Right there. It ain't going back no farther than that. Oh, there goes Froggy.
I was planning on sleeping all fucking day, but you know, yeah. Take 5 seconds to
God damn, I hate these fucking gas.
That's where you can't buy a gas can.
Oh, that too. But man, my fucking nuts are like sweating as a motherfucker in that thing.
Oh yeah, there you go, you fat bitch.
goes, huh? Is it going?
Pull your way off fucking
See how those gas stations get moving? They fucking sprayed it everywhere, bro. All over the dude next to me and shit. I was like,
oh, a bunch of monkeys fucking a basketball, dog.
You guys.
dude, it's for real.
Well, now if I didn't want to fucking shower, I need to take one now. I'm like, yeah.
Oh, shit. Would you guys like a cold-hearted air freshener?
I probably
Actually, yes, I would rock that shit.
So, I think we got everything set up in the booth.
Dude, those
We are going.
fucking look sick, bro.
They're going pretty good. AC, frost fan, it's like a fucking tornado. And we got the heat press going almost up to temp. Generator ain't blowing up yet. Like DJ said, we are testing the capability of these wires. For a company like us that don't go to a lot of shows and clothing is not our main source of income, if we don't sell everything and it's not pressed, we can take it to another show and make it right on site. So when you guys come to us, you're gonna just expect it takes 30 seconds to press one of these out, hand it right to you. Quality designs, quality material. I'm gonna do one press in here. It's the very first one in the truck. See how it works, do some koozies. I wonder if you guys can see that. It's not good. There it is. Wow. There you guys go. Cold Hard Clothing. First koozie made in the box truck. All right, we'll see us at the show. Thank you, sir. Bye. Okay. Peace.
Are you ready? Are you ready for the comeback? Yeah. Are you ready for the comeback? You know we the ones that ready for whatever. We gon' have to show them something, man. Let me see them hands up all the way front back. You don't understand that I'm doing what you can't with no cap. This is the return of the one. You ain't see him coming, you just heard drums. They've been ready for the battle. Any person that comes got the weight of the world on them. Yeah, they're too strong. I might have been down, not out. It's on sight, you gon' figure that out. And I might have been down, not out. Only one thing I gotta know now is, are you ready for the comeback? Yeah. Are you ready for the...
So we made it safe, made it to Midwest Dragfest 2022. A little warm, but I think it's gonna be a great weekend. Everybody's already starting to get set up. Try to get the atmosphere going, get the party going.
Now I see you with your bad self. If you're into taking L's, then I can't help. I'll be the self-made champ, look at my belt. I built this all from the ground up, that's all by myself, y'all know. This is the return of the one. You ain't see him coming, you just heard drums. They've been ready for the battle. Any person that comes got the weight of the world on them, yeah, they're too strong. I might have been down, not out. It's on sight, you gon' figure that out. And I might have been down, not out. Only one thing I gotta know now is, are you ready for the